James could no longer stand constantly having cold floors. For new homes, it's mandatory to have insulation under the concrete slab, but in older homes, this might not be the case. What can he do? The only option to have better energy efficiency is to install insulation on top of the concrete. Fortunately, James found the solution to his problem: insulated subfloors from InsulFloor. What a discovery! They're made from expanded polystyrene, EPS, and OSB. Easy to install, only 1 inch thick, and has an R value of R3.2. Wow! How does it work? It's quite simple. The polystyrene grooved side installs directly on the concrete. It stops the cold coming from the ground, and the grooves allow the concrete to breathe. The result? Reduces energy costs, prevents water condensation, eliminates most humidity and basement odors. The OSB surface plays the role of a nailing surface or rigid surface, therefore allowing to install a carpet or floating floor. And by adding plywood, you can now install hardwood or ceramic tiles. Not to mention that the hot glue that bonds the polystyrene to the OSB also acts as a vapor barrier. And due to the fact that the InsulFloor subfloors are only an inch thick, it's perfect for basements that have low ceilings. James is on his way to his local hardware store to ask for InsulFloor's subfloor panels. No more cold, humidity, or mold. James can now take advantage of the new comfort level in his basement with his family. Do like James and ask for the ThermoSmart panels at your local hardware store.